Hi, I'm Lori from Quilters Headquarters in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And I'm just getting ready to put binding on my quilt, and I wanted to show you my latest and greatest find, which is the Creative Grids 3.5 inch by 12 inch, 12.5 inch quick trim ruler. So when you're piecing your binding together, what you've always done in the past is you've laid these two pieces perpendicular, draw a line, sew on the line, trim it, then fold it and press it. What we're going to do today is we're going to layer as many layers as our sharp rotary knife will handle, all right side up. We're going to square off the end and cut off those selvages. Thank you. And then we're going to take our ruler. We've got two lines here. We've got one that's going to lay right across the top and the other one that's coming down. So we'll think of it as an inside corner, just like so. We trim. Now we have our 1/4 inch seam already built in right there, so we can lay them lay them right together. So our 1/4 inch seam, we don't have to draw any line, we don't have to trim off anything, and it's all set to go. So that's just a really quick guide on how to use the quick trim ruler from Creative Grids. Thanks for visiting quiltersheadquarters.com.